What's up, guys? I'm back, and welcome to another video. And we're gonna be playing really soft. No, we're gonna play Pixel Gun. Shut up! Oh my gosh! So this guy is my brother. Shut up! You're so funny. Okay, so he's my funny brother, and I'm still thinking about it, and that was my brother. And that was my brother. He's like a very funny brother. If you like him, make sure to subscribe to Apex Rex 26. Make sure to subscribe to Apex Rex 26. Cause that's him. Okay, so. Okay, so he's gonna keep. Is that from Patrick? So my brother's 13. He's about to turn 14 in July. Psych, his birthday is in November 7th. 13.
Wait.
It's so funny. Wait. So guys, we're getting into the game. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna be playing Pixel Gun. It's gonna be a good game for you guys. If you want to play, just download it in the App Store. Right now we're gonna play Utopia. So today I'm gonna show you how to get on the trees without using your rocket launcher. It's gonna be Beast.
Kid.
This kid.
The Beast Kid.
Okay, so we're just gonna go right into this game. We're gonna go with our sniper. You always have to go here with your I don't know what gun this is, but you have to go with this gun. Cause this gun shoots fast. And then you need to go
Okay. What up, guys?
So today, you're gonna have to go on here. It's okay. And you're gonna have to keep trying until you make it. So this, guys, is very important that you try. So you're just gonna jump on here and then jump on there. So this time we have people. This is gonna be fun with helpers. These helpers are good because these helpers. This is my new intro. Go right here. So my brother's weird.
This is talking. You're fine.
He sucks
Wait,
trash.
That doesn't make sense.
And then we're just going to go up here. Go up here. And jump up here. Going right there. Go right there. Now we're just gonna jump. Jump. So this is how you get up in the trees
So this is like an up
without no rocket launcher.
without no rocket launcher.
So some of you think that you can do it, but this is actually pretty easy to do. So this is how you get to the top of the trees. If you like this video, leave a like and thank you for watching. Bye.